Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right and open Settings. Once done, go to Privacy and Security and pick Site Settings. This groups all permission controls in one place. Now scroll to Notifications. That's the control hub for both allowed and blocked sites. You're taking the first actionable step. Identify where Chrome stores notification permissions. Make sure to keep Chrome updated before changing settings, because newer versions streamline controls and improve reliability. Once you're in Notifications, you'll see allowed and blocked lists. Start with allowed and scan for unfamiliar or spammy domains. Click any site to open its permission panel and switch notifications to block, or choose remove to let the site ask again later. If multiple entries persist, use clear on exit or reset permissions for a broader cleanup. Make sure to repeat this for profiles or synced devices, because Chrome Sync propagates notification settings across your signed-in devices. Finally, prevent future interruptions by toggling off sites can ask to send notifications. This stops new permission prompts. If notifications still appear, disable browser extensions and test in incognito mode, because some extensions inject alerts. Restart Chrome, and if needed, reset settings to default to remove stubborn configurations. One key troubleshooting tip: check your operating system's notification center. Sometimes the OS, not Chrome, controls delivery. Adjust OS-level app permissions to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.